Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and welcome to those who are here for the first time. Today I'm going to share with you how I achieved perfect wash and go curls on my afro hair in just minutes. So here is why I think my curls came out so perfectly. I had this mini twist in my hair for the past week and they left my hair in these beautiful natural curls. When I undid the twist, I already had a great base to work on. It's amazing how those twists set me up for this beautiful wash and go success. To start, I washed my hair with my shampoo to cleanse it and just get it nice and fresh. After washing, I let my hair air dry about halfway. I then sprayed a little more water onto my hair to make sure it was evenly damp before I applied my leave-in conditioner. I love this conditioner because it makes my hair super soft and it helps keep my curls defined. Plus, it already has some coconut and baobab oil in it, so I really didn't need to add any extra oil beforehand. After evenly applying the leave-in conditioner to my hair, I softly combed it up from the bottom to just fluff it out. And that's really it. With just a little bit of effort, I had the cutest wash and go. It's super effortless as a wash and go should be. The fact that I had twist in before made the curl formation so much easier. If you don't have twist beforehand, you can always apply a curling cream after washing to help define your curls. So for an everyday look, all I have to do is to spray some water on my hair and apply a little conditioner to refresh the curls. It's such a beautiful low maintenance style, but it really looks amazing. I thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content if you haven't, and let me know in the comments how you define your curls. I'd love to hear your tips and tricks. See you in the next video, and bye.